So two of the things that I'm most excited about with modern AI from a global perspective, one of them is a technical observation, and the second has more to do with community and access to health. So I think one of the things that really warms my heart when we're looking at this modern AI technology is when I go in and I talk to smaller nation states, smaller countries that may not have a hospital, in every town or on every corner, doctor's office, etc. And what we're finding is that with this new technology, it's really a way to enable and improve that global health access just across the world. And so for me, that's something that we've always been passionate about global health access. And really just access to health in general, and making sure that's equitable and that everybody has fair and easy access to healthcare is something that we've been passionate about for a long time. And so I think, if you were to ask me what excites me about our role, in modern AI globally, that would be, certainly one of the things that's top of the list is how this technology will improve global access to health. And that truly warms my heart. From a technology perspective, I can tell you one of the things that we're most excited about, and this goes to some of the work we're doing with Microsoft startups and work with DAX and Nuance Copilot, DAX Copilot, is ambient AI. We're very, very, very excited about ambient AI and what it brings to the table from a modern AI perspective. And I think Microsoft DAX Copilot is just a wonderful example. I've seen statistics recently where they've been able to reduce provider burnout by 67% by assisting providers with ambient AI. And so just quickly, an example would be of ambient AI. The provider puts the mobile phone on the desk. They open up the Microsoft DAX Copilot, which is integrated with Epic. And essentially what they do is they start interviewing the patient. And what will happen is, as you can imagine, where I'm going with this, there's listening that's going on. This is the ambient part. It's listening in the background and then transcribing, and then pops it up in front of the provider, keep the provider in the loop. The provider then has a chance to make edits, etc., and then put it into the electronic health record, in this case, Epic. So this concept of ambient AI is extremely powerful, and we've chose this path as well. And I think that we're going to see a lot of use cases, if you will. Again, I just gave the clinical use case of DAX Copilot, and there are other folks doing something similar. And so we're taking that same technology and applying it to our Pexco Copilot on the healthcare administration operations side. So if I had to pick two things that I'm just really excited about from a global perspective in modern AI, I think it would be that what it can do for global access to health from a community perspective and from a philanthropic perspective. That would be my answer. But from a technical perspective, I think one of the things I'm most excited about is what we can do with ambient AI across the world, not just across the healthcare solution. And that's powerful. And again, it excites me from an engineer perspective. And of course, access to health excites me from a philanthropic perspective.